In this video, we're going to talk about something that truly matters for anyone in their 60s, 70s, or even 80s, how the food you eat can help your body fight cancer and recover better from treatment. Many older adults believe that once they're diagnosed, everything depends on medicine or their doctor. But the truth is, what you eat every single day can make a real difference. Food is not just fuel, it's one of your body's most powerful healing tools. You see, many doctors focus only on the treatment part, chemotherapy, pills, or surgery, and that's understandable. But what they often forget to mention is how much your own body wants to heal. Inside you, there are natural defense systems designed to protect you from illness, fix damaged cells, and strengthen your immunity. And the wonderful thing is, the right foods can help those defenses wake up again. They can work hand in hand with your medicines, not against them. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Foods that increase cancer risk. Researchers have found that processed meats, like hot dogs, deli meats, ham, and bacon, are classified as carcinogens, which means they can raise your risk of certain cancers, especially those in the digestive system. It's not about eating them once in a while, it's the long-term habit that can quietly build risk over time. The chemicals used to preserve and flavor these meats can harm the cells in your gut and make it harder for your body to repair itself. So, if you've been used to having them regularly, this is a good time to cut back or look for fresh alternatives like grilled chicken or fish. Another thing to watch out for is grilled or charred foods. You know that smoky flavor we all love from barbecues? Unfortunately, that taste often comes from harmful chemicals that form when meat fat drips onto the fire and the smoke coats the food. These are called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines, big scientific names, but in simple words, they're toxins your body doesn't like. They can stick to the surface of your food and enter your system when you eat it. But don't worry, you don't have to give up grilling completely. There are easy ways to make it safer. For example, always clean your grill before using it to remove the old black residue that carries those chemicals. Try marinating your food before grilling, using lemon juice, vinegar, or fruit juices like pineapple helps reduce the harmful compounds that form in the heat. And here's a good tip, stand back from the smoke. That smoke isn't harmless, it carries the same toxins that coat your food. Finally, moderation is key. Enjoying grilled food or meat occasionally is fine, but making it a daily habit can hurt your health over time. Remember, small changes, like adding more vegetables or fruit to your plate, can protect your body far more than you realize. Think of every meal as an opportunity to help your body fight back and heal stronger. 2. Your body's natural defenses against cancer. Even at an older age, your body hasn't given up on you. Deep inside, it's still working every single day to repair, protect, and fight. These are what doctors and scientists call your natural defense systems, and they can be strengthened with the right foods. Think of these defenses as your body's built-in army, 5 strong teams that protect you from illness. 1. Blood vessel defense, angiogenesis control. It prevents cancer from building its own blood supply. Without blood, cancer cells can't grow or spread. 2. Cell regeneration system, it helps your body repair itself and replace weak or damaged cells with new, healthy ones. 3. Gut health system. Your gut is home to trillions of tiny friendly bacteria that keep inflammation low and boost your immunity. 4. DNA protection system. This one fixes tiny cell errors before they turn into big problems like cancer. 5. Immune defense. The body's natural shield, it detects and destroys cells that don't belong, including cancer cells. When you eat well, you're giving these 5 defenses what they need to stay strong. But when your diet is poor, it's like sending your soldiers into battle without armor or food. Over time, your body gets tired and weak, and diseases find their chance to strike. This is why food isn't just something to fill your stomach, it's medicine in its purest form. The vegetables, fruits, nuts, and teas you choose can help your defenses stand taller and fight smarter. Scientists have seen this in countless studies. People who eat the right foods have better recovery rates, fewer side effects during treatment, and often live longer, healthier lives. 3. Foods that strengthen your body's defenses. The first group is called anti-angiogenic foods. These help stop cancer cells from growing their own blood supply. Without that blood flow, cancer can't easily spread. Simple foods like tomatoes, green tea, coffee, soy, berries, grapes, and oily fish such as salmon all have this power. Even broccoli and cauliflower fall into this list. When you eat them regularly, you're helping your body choke off the lifeline cancer needs to grow. Next, there are foods that can target something doctors call cancer stem cells. These are tiny, baby, cancer cells that help the disease come back after treatment. But here's the good news, some foods can actually weaken or destroy these stubborn cells. Foods like purple potatoes, walnuts, green tea, and coffee are shown to help. So that morning cup of coffee or tea, it might be doing more for your health than just waking you up. Now, let's talk about immune-boosting foods. Your immune system is your personal army. It fights infections, destroys damaged cells, and supports recovery after treatments. Foods like broccoli sprouts, blueberries, chili peppers, and citrus fruits give your immune soldiers extra strength. They're full of antioxidants, natural chemicals that clean out toxins and keep your defenses alert. Then we have foods for gut health, because your gut is where much of your immunity lives. Feed it with fiber-rich foods, beans, lentils, chickpeas, mushrooms, avocados, and raspberries. Add probiotic foods too, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. These friendly bacteria reduce inflammation, protect your gut lining, and improve how your body absorbs nutrients. Lastly, there are foods that protect your DNA, the very blueprint of your cells. Leafy greens, oranges, nuts, and colorful fruits give your body the tools to repair small cell damages before they turn into bigger problems. Remember, it's not about eating everything at once. It's about slowly building habits. Add a few of these foods into your meals every day. Over time, your body will thank you. Point 4. What science says about food and cancer recovery. In one major study, doctors followed over 800 people with stage 3 colon cancer who were getting regular medical treatment. Half of them continued their usual diet, while the others added just 2 handfuls of tree nuts, like walnuts, almonds, or pistachios, every week. The difference? Those who ate the nuts had a 57% better survival rate. That's right, food didn't replace the medicine, but it amplified the treatment's effect. Nuts are rich in healthy fats and fiber, both of which strengthen your gut health and boost your immune system, 2 of your strongest natural defenses. Another study from France found that some cancer patients didn't respond well to immunotherapy, which is one of the newest and most advanced treatments today. When researchers looked closer, they found a pattern. The patients who didn't respond were missing a healthy kind of gut bacteria called Akkermansia mucinifila. It's a complicated name, but you can think of it as a good soldier living in your intestines. It helps reduce inflammation and strengthen your body's immune system. The best part? You can naturally grow this bacteria just by eating foods like pomegranates, cranberries, mangoes, chili peppers, and even a splash of black vinegar in your meals. So when someone tells you, just eat whatever you want during treatment, remember, your body deserves better. The food on your plate can be one of your strongest partners in recovery. 5. How to bring healing foods into your everyday meals. Start with breakfast, because that's when your body is ready to recharge after a night's rest. Instead of skipping it or reaching for sugary cereal, try a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries and a few walnuts. The oats give you fiber for gut health, the blueberries boost your immune system, and the walnuts feed your body healthy fats that protect your cells. And if you enjoy tea or coffee, good news, both have antioxidants that help your body fight harmful changes in your cells. just avoid loading them with too much sugar or cream. At lunchtime, go for something colorful. A salad filled with tomatoes, chickpeas, avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil can be a complete meal. These foods are rich in vitamins, fiber, and healthy oils that keep your blood vessels clean and strong. You can even add grilled salmon or tuna for protein and omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation. For dinner, keep things light and healing. Steamed or baked broccoli, cauliflower, or bok choy go perfectly with a small portion of fish or grilled chicken. Add brown rice or lentils for energy and gut support. Try seasoning with turmeric or cumin. Not only do they taste good, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties. And don't forget snacks, they can make a huge difference too. A handful of nuts, a slice of apple with peanut butter, or even a cup of green tea in the afternoon can nourish your body while keeping your energy steady. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one small adjustment, maybe replacing one processed food with a fresh one, or drinking an extra glass of water each day. Over time, these tiny changes add up to big protection. 6. Food and medicine. Many people believe that once cancer treatment begins, only the doctor's medicines matter, that food is just a side note. But that's one of the biggest misunderstandings in health today. The truth is, food and medicine are partners, not rivals. Medicine treats the disease, but food helps the body handle that treatment, recover faster, and stay stronger for the long run. Think of it this way, your doctor's medicines are like firefighters putting out flames, while your food is the steady water flow that keeps the fire from starting again. You need both. When your body gets the right nutrition, your immune system becomes more alert, your energy improves, and your cells repair more efficiently. That means your treatments, whether it's chemotherapy, radiation, or immunotherapy, can work better. Sadly, many doctors still say, eat whatever you want, simply because they were never trained in nutrition. Even some oncologists had only a few days of nutrition education in medical school. That's not because they don't care, it's because the system didn't teach them how powerful food really is. But science has moved forward. We now know that what you eat can directly influence how your body responds to cancer treatment. When you nourish your body with anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting foods, you help balance your system. Your energy levels remain steadier, your appetite improves, and your mood can lift as well. A healthy diet also helps you avoid one of the most common challenges during cancer care, losing too much weight and strength. So next time you sit down for a meal, remind yourself, this isn't just food. It's part of your healing process. Each bite is helping your medicines work a little better. Each cup of tea or serving of greens is quietly protecting your body's natural defenses. 7. Taking back control of your health. Let's face it, getting older brings its challenges. Energy might dip, appetite may change, and sometimes, treatments or medications can make eating harder. But that's exactly why it's so important to be gentle with yourself and focus on progress, not perfection. Start small. If you can add one extra serving of vegetables a day, or swap a processed snack for a handful of nuts, that's already a step forward. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to keep moving in the right direction. Your body may not be as quick as it once was, but it's still wise, responsive, and capable of healing. Even in your 70s or 80s, your immune cells still listen to the foods you give them. When you nourish yourself well, you're sending a signal to your body, I still care. I still want to live well. And your body responds, quietly, faithfully, day by day. You might notice small changes at first, your digestion improving, your energy lasting a bit longer, your sleep feeling deeper. These are signs that your body is thanking you. Over time, your inner systems, your gut, your immune defenses, your healing cells, start to work together again. And that's when true recovery begins. So don't think of eating well as a diet, think of it as self-respect. You've lived through so much, learned through experience, and given to others all your life. Now it's your turn to give back to your body. 8. The bigger message. As we come to the end of this conversation, I want you to take a deep breath and remind yourself, you are still in charge of your health. No matter what your diagnosis says, no matter what stage of life you're in, your body still listens, still heals, still responds to care. Cancer might be strong, but your will, your daily choices, are stronger. What you eat, how you rest, how you think, these things matter more than most people realize. You don't have to make grand changes or follow a complicated plan. Real healing often starts quietly, with a small bowl of soup made from fresh vegetables, a cup of green tea in the afternoon, or the decision to replace worry with gratitude. These small choices tell your body, I'm on your side. Food won't replace medicine, but it will support it. Medicine treats the illness, food nourishes the person. When they work together, something powerful happens, treatments become easier to handle, recovery becomes smoother, and you start to feel more like yourself again. And remember, healing isn't just physical. It's emotional too. Sometimes, sitting down to a home-cooked meal, enjoying the smell of garlic or the warmth of soup, can calm your heart in ways no pill ever could. That peace, that comfort, is also part of healing. So don't ever feel like it's too late. Whether you're 60, 70, or 90, your next meal can still be medicine. You can still wake up each day and make one better choice, one that strengthens your body, clears your mind, and gives you hope. Before you go, I'd love to know, which of these foods are you planning to add to your meals this week? Maybe it's blueberries, green tea, or something new you discovered here today. Share it in the comments. Your small step might give someone else the courage to start theirs too.